If you're looking for a direct, no-nonsense audiobook summary that fits an entire book into a bite-sized format, you're in the right place. This summary is designed to give you the most important takeaways from Unstoppable Confidence. How to use the power of NLP to be more dynamic and successful in under 15 minutes. I've pulled out the most powerful insights so you can start applying them right away. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, let's dive right in. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to be naturally confident while others struggle with self-doubt? What makes certain individuals walk into any situation with an unshakable belief in themselves? Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you develop, and that's exactly what Kent Sayre explains in Unstoppable Confidence. The book is built around the idea that anyone can create a rock-solid belief in themselves by using the techniques of NLP, or neuro-linguistic programming. NLP is a powerful psychological tool that helps rewire your thoughts, behaviors, and responses so that you can build confidence from the inside out. It's about training your brain to think and act with certainty no matter the situation. Kent Sayre himself wasn't always confident. In fact, he struggled with extreme shyness and social anxiety. He found himself unable to approach people, afraid to speak up, and constantly doubting his abilities. But after discovering NLP, he began applying its techniques and saw a dramatic transformation in his confidence. He went from someone who was hesitant and insecure to someone who could command attention and engage in conversations with ease. His personal journey is proof that confidence is a skill anyone can develop, and this book is his guide on how to do it. One of the key ideas in Unstoppable Confidence is that confidence isn't about never feeling fear or self-doubt. It's about acting despite those feelings. Fear is natural, but the difference between confident people and those who struggle is that confident people don't let fear stop them. They push through it. Sayre explains that our minds are like computers. If we repeatedly run the same mental programs that tell us we aren't good enough, we'll believe it. But if we install new programs, new thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors, we can completely change how we see ourselves. NLP helps rewrite those programs. A major technique Sayre shares is visualization. Confident people visualize success before they experience it. They picture themselves succeeding in a situation over and over again until their brain accepts it as reality. He suggests closing your eyes and vividly imagining yourself handling a difficult conversation, giving a speech, or walking into a room with total confidence. The more you do this, the more your subconscious mind starts to believe it's possible. Your body and actions will begin to follow your mind's lead. Another powerful method is reframing negative thoughts. Many of us have internal voices that tell us we're not good enough, that we're going to fail, or that we should just stay quiet. NLP teaches you to catch those thoughts and change them. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," Sayre suggests replacing it with, "I am learning to do this, and I am getting better every day." Shifting from a negative mindset to a positive one is one of the fastest ways to build unshakable confidence. Sayre also talks about the importance of physiology. The way you carry yourself has a massive impact on how you feel. If you slouch, look down, and speak softly, your brain takes that as a signal that you are weak or unimportant. But if you stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly, you send a message to yourself and others that you are confident. Your brain reacts to your body language, and by changing your posture, you can change your mindset instantly. Another critical point is taking action. Confidence is built through action, not just thinking. You can read every book in the world about confidence, but until you start applying what you learn, nothing will change. Sayre emphasizes stepping out of your comfort zone daily. If something makes you nervous, that's a sign you need to do it. Speak up in a meeting, introduce yourself to someone new, or volunteer for a challenge. Each small action builds on the last, making confidence a habit. Sayer also delves into the power of language. The words we use shape our reality. If you constantly say things like, "I'll never be good at this," or "I always mess up," your subconscious mind accepts those statements as truth. However, by replacing them with affirmations such as, "I am improving every day," or "I am capable and strong," you gradually shift your mindset toward confidence. Repeating these affirmations daily helps reinforce a more positive belief system. Another crucial aspect Sayer highlights is the importance of modeling successful people. By observing those who radiate confidence, you can start to adopt their behaviors and habits. Watch how they carry themselves, how they speak, and how they handle challenges. If you emulate confident individuals, your own confidence will begin to grow naturally. Building confidence also requires persistence. Many people expect instant results, but true confidence is cultivated over time through consistent practice. Sayer emphasizes that setbacks and failures are a part of the learning process. Instead of seeing them as reasons to quit, view them as opportunities to grow stronger. The key is to keep pushing forward despite obstacles. Now, let's go over 5 key takeaways from the book and how you can start implementing them today. First, use visualization daily. Spend a few minutes every morning imagining yourself succeeding in your goals. Whether it's a job interview, a conversation, or a presentation, see yourself handling it with confidence. Your brain will start to accept it as reality, making real-life situations easier to face. Second, reframe your negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking something like, "I'm not good enough," stop and replace it with a more empowering belief, such as, "I am learning and improving every day." This small shift makes a huge difference over time. Third, change your body language. Stand up straight, make eye contact, and speak with confidence. Your posture and tone influence how you feel inside. If you carry yourself like a confident person, your brain will follow. Fourth, take action despite fear. Fear never completely disappears, but the more you step out of your comfort zone, the less power it has over you. Do something small every day that pushes you beyond your usual limits. Fifth, surround yourself with confident people. Confidence is contagious. If you spend time with people who believe in themselves, you'll start picking up their habits and mindset. Learn from those who already have the confidence you want. Unstoppable confidence is a powerful guide to rewiring your brain for success. If you made it to the end of this audiobook summary, it means you're serious about taking action and building unshakable confidence in your life. The full book is linked in the description if you want to dive deeper into these concepts. If you enjoyed this summary, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment below saying "Confidence Unlocked," so I know you made it to the end, and I'll do my best to like each and every one of your comments. Until next time.